Hello, my name is Linda Jones, and I had both of my knees replaced, and this is my story. It was probably 6 years ago, my knees started giving out completely. Like, I walked out of a restaurant one day and I couldn't walk. I couldn't ride my recumbent bike at all because every bump would cause me excruciating pain. And I was told way back then that it was bone on bone, and I just kept pushing it off. And then I was referred to Dr. Sayeed, and right away he sits down, he says, what's the problem? Tell me about yourself. And his bedside manner was exceptional, along with all his staff. After my surgery, maybe a couple hours at the most, they had the physical therapist come in and get me up on my walker to walk. The recovery time, other people that went to other places to get their knees replaced, they were amazed at how fast I recovered. But I also followed the rules as far as like doing the exercises and doing what he asked me to do, and pushed myself. And the fact that after it was done and I didn't have the pain anymore, I was just amazed. I didn't realize how much I had suffered all those years until I had the new knees, and it was like, I can walk, I can shop, I can do all these things that doesn't bother me anymore. If you're gonna get your knee surgery done, I always tell people Dr. Sayeed is the one you need to go to, because he's phenomenal.